Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use CC your AI assistant application. So first of all, you need to make sure that your app is installed in your device, then tap on the open button. I already logged in. So you can see, and this is the interface. So here are some default chatting list. So CC, it's the default, like you can chat with those account, and here are some default account. Like if you want to learn English, then you can type say anything hi, and they give you hi there, what's up, really practice some English, let's chat. So you can do anything. Like if you want to get more both, then tap here new year plan maker. So assist me creating a new year resolution first. So you can see it's really easy and smoothly going on here. A lot of both, you can talk with them, you can chat with them, and feature holiday session, image recognize. So like if you if you have an image that you don't know, then you can upload image. For example, if you can upload image, then they will recognize you. So education also, you can English tutor, study tutor, you can see a lot of both here, so you can learn through them. Character, work, creation, movie and TV character, daily life. So you can try here, and once you like that, they give a really short bio, the genius, billionaire, and superhero, Iron Man. So you can ask them. You can see some default text. So search both. If you want to search, then you can search here, like I can say emails. Just type this word, so you will get all the both, all the both here, image related, image recognition, image AI image generator. So like I'm just going to type like natural place with tree. I'm just type randomly. I'm just randomly. You can they give you image. Create beautiful natural place with a tree for you. Its resurface. Give me a few moments to work with the image. Okay, so it takes few time. So it takes few time. They will give you some image. So this way you can create image, and really easy to use. So I can say English tutor. You can type. If you want to help, you can give image, and like you can see a image. So describe your image you want, princess. So you will get here all the image creating now. So you can see here, like you can give them CC. So you can writing, translating, read file, read web page. So all the facilities is available here, you can use. So friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.